I'm back, Nurse Paggy. So, while driving, no, I'm going to Naik right now. So, while driving, let's talk about shockable rhythm versus non-shockable rhythm. Sa mga nasa medical dito, like nurses, doctors, and EMTs, no, ano ba yung dinidefib at ano yung hindi dinidefib or binibigyan ng electrical shock. So, if you talk about shockable rhythm, meron tayong dalawa, no? Meron tayong dalawa yan. So, we have pulseless ventricular tachycardia, and the other one is ventricular fibrillation. So ano yung combination of treatment? Lagi nyo natatandaan, no? So starting from chest compression or yung cardiopulmonary resuscitation or CPR, which is the BLS, no, combined with advanced treatment. So ano yung advanced treatment natin? So mag-perform tayo ng defibrillation, no, and also maglalagay tayo ng IV access. We have to put an IV access for the introductions of medications. So ano yung mga medications na involved dito, no? Meron tayong tinatawag na epinephrine, which is an adrenaline, no? 1 milligram, binibigay po natin yan sa mga pasyenteng may pulseless ventricular tachycardia at yung merong ventricular fibrillation. And the other medication involved is amiodarone. So yung initial dose is 300 milligram, following the next dose, no, is 150 milligram. So tandaan po ang combination treatment ng shockable rhythm, no, CPR, defibrillation plus medication. So pag tinabi mo namang non-shockable, dalawa din po yan. We have your pulseless electrical activity, and the other one is asystole. So in these conditions, no, ang puso, there is no activity. There is no electrical and mechanical activity. Pulseless din po ito mga to, no. So ang combination of treatment, wala po kayong dapat defibrillate dito, no. Hindi kayo kailangan magbigay ng shock. All you have to do is do a combined treatment. Yung cardiopulmonary resuscitation plus po yung tinatawag ninyong introductions of medication. So naka-IV yung patient, no, or IO access, no, pwede kayong magbigay ng epinephrine 1 milligram. So yun po yung treatment, no, pag nasa non-shockable rhythm. Tandaan, the shockable versus non-shockable. For shockable, we have pulseless ventricular tachycardia and ventricular fib, and the other one, which is non-shockable, meron tayong pulseless electrical activity and asystole. Maraming pong salamat, ingat.